Good afternoon, fam. I'm coming to you today because just to give you an update on what's going on. Thank you for all the phone calls. Yes, we are still doing it again. We still got another live feed about Celadon until we get all the drivers home. We still have drivers out there that have not been able to get home as of yet. And payday is looking like it's going to be tomorrow, or some people got paid today. I don't know what's going on, but we need to look at them checks. Another thing is, let's see, got in touch with an attorney. Okay, so y'all all got an attorney. Let me just go ahead, and the case is already filed. Okay, so all you have to do if you want to join in the class action suit, I will give you that information. It will also be on my page. There is no cost to you to join the lawsuit. It is filed. It was filed Monday under the Warren Act. Okay, we already told you there was a case in there. So the attorney for that case, as I talked to, and he said that he can take everybody that wants to be in on it. Okay, let me see. He is out of Delaware, and his name is Charles ERCOLE. Okay. He is with the KLEHR Harrison Harvey LLP, and they are out of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. And he represents, let me just go over everything of what he represents, okay? Let y'all know that he is no joke. He is not to be played with. He wrote me an email, and it says, "Good morning, Tamara. Good morning. Good day speaking with you. As I said, we have already filed a warrant at class action complaint in Delaware in the bankruptcy court seeking to represent all employees, but other employees are welcome to sign on. My firm has successfully represented many employees for the violations of the Warren Act. That includes truck drivers of trucking companies. He is representing New England Motor Freight for $2.7 million. He also represents Arrow Trucking for $4 million. And he also represents USF Red Star for $7 million. Former employees are welcome to view his website. So if you want to check his status, you can go to the website of www.warrenactlawyers.com. Okay, attached, he sent a copy of the disclosure. What you will have to sign if you do want him to represent you, and that is attached to my the PDF is attached to my site on Facebook, I think. Okay, if not, I can download it for you. It is a two-part thing, and all that is just giving him authorization to be your attorney. Okay, so you do not have to pay anything up front for him to represent you. Also, you do not he will represent you in any state. It doesn't matter what state you are in, he will represent you in any state. More so the workers, the people that are employees, is a concern. He is also, wait. Hey, excuse me. I'm doing a live right now. Sit down. Have a seat. Have a seat. The other thing is that he is also, what else is good? Oh, lease drivers. He is also going to be representing lease drivers as well. A little bit of update. One thing I did want to tell you all is that there was people that were under TEL leasing. They got a call on Thursday letting them know that anybody that was on TEL lease drivers was to move their truck within 10 days. Okay. I'm asking TEL if y'all can please give y'all drivers like a week of deferment for them truck payments and things like that, because it's been a hectic week for everybody, and they got to do these checks and all this kind of stuff for backgrounds and all that kind of stuff, and it takes a little bit of time to get these people processed. So if you can help out your TEL lease people, it would be appreciated if you could possibly give them a week that they don't have to pay a truck note until they find another location. Y'all just gave them 10 days to find somewhere else. They're trying to get their stuff. They're trying to go back to the house. They're trying to do a whole lot. They're going through a lot right now. Defer their payments for 1 week, okay, until they can get situated as far as finding a new location of where they can go, okay? And they have to go within the TEL program. They can't go outside, so they just can't go anywhere. Some of their places is going to be, they got a list. They received a list of letting them know where they can go, but some of these places take a little time to process. They're not just doing 24-hour process. I know y'all gave them 10 days to do that, or they will be in default of their lease. Please keep in mind that they are going through extreme circumstances right now. Their whole life has been turned upside down, kind of, and it's just not that easy to just jump into another company so quick. So, you know, if you could find it out the kindness of your heart to give these drivers at least a 1 week deferment and a little bit more time to sign their trucks on to other carriers, it would be greatly appreciated. Okay. What else? But the other lease drivers I haven't heard from. I just heard from TEL lease drivers of them having to move their truck. They was notified on Thursday. So Thursday they was notified that they would no longer be with Celadon and they had to move all their trucks. So they get to keep their trucks. They just have to find a new place for them to put the trucks at, okay? So I just wanted to let you know that I will try to put the information to the attorney in the description box on my, I think I'm on Facebook, on Miss Diva Trucker, Real Women in Trucking, and my YouTube channel. I will put that information all in the description box so you all will know if you do decide that you want to join in the class action lawsuit, you can do that, okay? So getting the drivers home, getting them new jobs, and now we're suing, okay? So other than that, y'all, and unless I have some more updates about this situation, I think that's it. I think my final thing was to get you all an attorney that will represent you all and take care of you as far as your wages and loss of revenue has been concerned. So I did that. You got a wonderful attorney. He does it. He knows what he's doing. Okay. So if you want to do that, I will give you that information. Everybody else, y'all know y'all been applying for jobs and things like that. I'm working my applications as well. And yeah. And that's it. Other than that, peace, love, joy, and happiness. That is your Celadon update for today. And we're going to come back. I don't know when, but we're going to talk about who's on the watch list. Okay, that's my next one. I got a company that's on the watch list. I read about them last night, and they got in a little trouble too with the stock exchange. So they under investigation, or they looking it up, or they trying to find out what's going on with the books. And I will let you know what that company is at a later time. But this now we're gonna focus on Celadon. The drivers are still out there. Some of them still haven't been able to get home, and but yeah, y'all, they are looking and getting other places, and also you need to start filing your paperwork for the lawsuit. All right, peace, love, joy, happiness. Y'all have a wonderful and blessed day.